394 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and the war is still going on. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, November the 4th, 2024. Not so good news today because we have only 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku, and the binary. So there's no extra puzzles for today. No additional, let me show you. No additional. So only 3. Well, the weekend we have a lot of puzzles done, so today only 3. Alright. These 3 regular puzzles, the first one I will do will be, remember, 9, 5, 3, 9, 5, 3, 0. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. That's a lot, 27. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star for a 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? For a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place level 8, should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 place level, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 6, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the first row, so no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Yeah, the 7 is missing. Then, let me see, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place level 4 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, need an 8, need a 6 here, okay. In this big square, we have a pair. We have 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8 and a 6 in this row, so no 8 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 and a 6 in the third row, no 8 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. And we have an 8 and a 6 in the last column, so no 8 and a 6 in this box. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. How about the 7? 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1, 1. 6. We have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1. Then, let me see. 2, 3, 1 and then 5, okay. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left, 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5. Excuse me. Alright, and now, let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4, it should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2, 2. Need a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, and now 8, 6, 2, 6, 9, 6, 6, 6, 6, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of missing numbers 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 7. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then how about the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. No, 2, 3, 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and the 6, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier. The 6, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the second column for the numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left with the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3, so we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 11 minutes. Well, this one is very quick to solve. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.